what we're looking at here is our investigation dashboard that our SOC will be working out of. And specifically, I'm looking in the all escalated tab. And this can be either escalated by an analyst or this can be escalated by our ingestion playbook that looks for indicators, say an EDR alert, whether there's a certain threshold of what they think is malicious, the risk score, or what our threat intelligence platforms are pulling in if they are considering it malicious. These things can be auto-escalated. In this case, I do have one that was auto-escalated because this was built in our lab. It's a detection ready to go and test with. I can see that it's from Sentinel-1. Our event score is 50. I can see other indicators like our host name and IP address. I can also look at the artifact behavior and see all the different things it's doing, where our file is, the event, endpoints, users, and then our event log. For a quick high level, I can see all the different information, the JSON here. I can even scroll down so I can start seeing our threat intelligence to kind of get a better determination if it's truly malicious or not. And I can see that this is being flagged as malware. Our threat intelligence is actually picking it up, pulling IOCs for it. So with all that being there, we can determine with a good degree of certainty that this is malicious. So from there, we actually move this escalated alert into an incident. All of this can be automated for the purposes of the video I'm walking through each. So now that we know it's malicious, we're actually going to kick it over to an incident. And an incident allows us to do our automation playbooks, our EDR playbooks that go in, scan the machine, go and isolate the machine. So we kind of get a quick dashboard view here, so I can see analyst response, or threat fox response, or OTX response, all these different threat intelligence things that would populate here. If this wasn't a test file, they would show up with all the malicious indicators here. Because it is a test file, there's not truly anything malicious going on. And I can see what my pending tasks are, or my playbooks are. When I click over here to playbook, I want to pull on our information, which we have, determine it's malicious, yes, and we want to send an email. So this email sent to me, and it's actually waiting on a response right now. So if I drag over, I have this email here from D3 saying a malware alert has been triggered and some enrichment need to be done. We need to approve it. This gives us, the partner or the end customer, the ability to go and approve that, yes, this machine should be isolated. We need to block this hash and do whatever else that the playbook justifies. So I'll click here. A new tab is opened that asks you to approve. And if I type approve and enter, we respond to the email. I'll come back to D3. We now see that the action's kicked off. It's done. We're moving into our analyst response. It's determined as true, is malicious. The file hash has been blocked. I can look here and see that return data is true. Our result, our playbook data. I can come in here and mitigate file hash and see that this has been blocked in the system. I can also pivot over to Sentinel-1 and check as well. And then our disconnect also clicked, and then we'll close the incident. That is how the SOC will operate with our automated playbooks. We have playbooks for a little bit of everything, but at a high level, this is a quick generic EDR playbook that can be vendor agnostic depending on the vendor agnostic, meaning we can use different EDRs, different AVs. It's pretty flexible.